In the wire drawing process of copper or aluminum, a large amount of metal particles and oil sludge mix into the lubricating oil. If not removed in time, these impurities can reduce product quality and accelerate equipment wear. So how are these contaminants separated? The answer is centrifugal separation. The working principle is actually quite straightforward. Materials with different densities experience different centrifugal forces. This leads to effective separation when the system starts. The contaminated oil is pumped into a high-speed rotating rotor. The rotor spins at several thousand revolutions per minute, generating a centrifugal force thousands of times stronger than gravity. In this powerful force field, heavy particles are pushed outward to the rotor wall, while clean oil remains closer to the center. As a result, impurities accumulate along the inner wall, and purified oil flows out continuously. After a preset time, the machine automatically enters the sludge discharge stage. The rotor slows down, and the built-in scraper removes the accumulated impurities. The waste is discharged into a collection container. Once cleaning is complete, the system restarts and continues the separation cycle. This enables continuous filtration, automatic cleaning, and uninterrupted operation. In simple terms, a centrifugal separator uses high-speed rotation to separate heavier and lighter substances, achieving efficient oil purification.